How to find the resources in your Google Colab. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can view all of the resource and their statistics in Google Colab. So as you can see currently, I am in the colab.research.google.com, which is the official Google Colab. And if you have subscribed to the same and you wish to know your resource count and their stats and their performance, then let me show you how to do this. For that, you need to click onto this runtime tab over here at the top. And then from here, click onto the view resources button. Once you do this, it will show you all of the resources that you currently own and how much of the resource have you actually consumed during the same. So in my case, it currently says you are not subscribed. You currently have 0 compute units available. So resources offered free of charge are not guaranteed. Purchase more units here. So obviously, if I want, I can actually purchase the units. But in your case, if you have already purchased, this is how you can view those particular resources and how they are doing. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.